Fun in my fairy garden. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and I'm back out in my fairy garden. I'd like to welcome everybody to my channel. I'd like to say a big welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and leave me a thumbs up and a comment so I can say hello. This is Fairy Garden Thursday, and I'm out in my fairy garden and I'm fixing up some of my older fairy garden houses that I've put together. I have several. I've done several videos already, and this is the bunny. Well, I got a little carried away because I was excited about getting my fairy gardens out here. Then I realized I had some repairs I needed to do to them. So I thought I'll just leave them out here and bring my glue gun out and we'll fix them up. So let's get started. Let's check. Oops. Okay. We've got a hoppity daycare and we got some bunnies. I only got one ear that lost their ears, so I gotta fix it. So I'm gonna put this guy's ear back on. Ouch. Oh shoot. Don't want to do that. Oh, I broke it. Huh. Well, the glue is drying too fast. I'll have to take those in and fix them, I guess. Glue this bottle back. And put this flower back on here. Because that bunny's got an ear missing too. I don't know. These guys are okay. Okay, let's see. Turn this one to the side, maybe you won't notice. Put him back on the bike. And this one's got 2 ears, good. And we'll put this one back on here. There we go. We still have 2 more bunnies. Stick that one back there. Can't really notice his ear. This one, just gonna put up on the rock up here. Oh no, their ears break off so easy. Wow. Oh, that's sad. I'll have bunnyless ears. Earless bunnies. Oops. Well, that's kind of a fail. Take this guy off of here too because I don't want earless bunnies. Well, I'll have to figure something out. Oh well, that's good. That's good for now. We've got a few bunnies in the daycare. We'll take these ones in, fix them up. And I need a fence for around there. Okay, we'll go over to this This one just has a few loose pieces here. So that's all I need to glue. Make sure that's in view. So this is all I need to glue on here. Okay, I think that's it for the glue gun. And it is beautiful out this morning. I have some tiles that my daughter gave me. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Thought we'd see. Wait, ones. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really love it if you subscribed and joined my YouTube family. And I would like to thank all my regular subscribers and people who watch all the time. I'd like to send you a big YouTube hug from me to you. And if you like this content, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and leave me a comment so that YouTube knows I have people watching and interested in my channel. I'd also like to thank Grandma Sandy for hosting this collaboration, and all the other ladies who do fairy gardens. You can find them through Grandma Sandy's channel or through Fairy Garden Thursday. Well, I'm sure enjoying building this new flower fairy garden. Can't wait to show it to you and give you a full tour of everything. I have a few more videos on this and then we'll get the whole thing put together. So this is my Fairy Garden Thursday for this Thursday. Hope you enjoyed it. And thanks again, Grandma Sandy. I always enjoy doing this collaboration. So we'll see you in my next video, which will be Sunday Home Reset. Bye!